pomemben postopek pri izboru bolnikov je pa slikanje s CT-jem, ki nam pove, kakšna dimenzija ima bolnik na nivoju stanja aortna zaklopka in pa kakšen pristop bo pri bolniku možen za samo implantacijo zaklopka. Tukaj je pa v bistvu večje vodilo, skozi to vodilo bomo potem postavili zaklopko po tej poti. Zdaj najprej predpriprava še dodatna, kar bo zdaj tudi kolega naredil je, da damo žico v srčno votlino. Ta žica nam bo pomagala kot tračnica, po kateri bomo potem zaklopko pripeljali na pravo mesto.
I'm honored to follow the program, the structure program here in Ljubljana around Vahčič for a long time now. And it's amazing what we saw in development. It's very well organized. And now, in the beginning, I think we shared about knowledge. Now I'm coming here to learn.
Thank you. So I attended one procedure and it was very well organized. The patient was early in the cath lab and the procedure took only 1 hour. This was a complex procedure that usually takes 2 to 3 hours. So the staff is very well organized and trained.